Very thankful to have been invited by Nelson to read his book today dito sa Philippine Book Festival. Medyo kinakabahan lang ako kasi sanay na sanay ako magbasa ng mga children's books sa anak ko. Pero lahat sila English, kaya dalawang version niya actually nandito eh. May Tagalog, tatlong version, may Tagalog, may English, saka may tausog na native dialect na bahasa. Kaya sana maitawid ko kasi katulad ng sinabi ni Nelson, napakaganda ng message ng libro na to na hindi lang yung parang if you can't beat them, join them tungkol sa bullying. It's not passing on that same trauma eh. Ang ganda ng message niya na it's handling bullying with grace and without bitterness. Kaya, please pray for me. Yeah. Sana hindi kumambing yung dila ko. This will be the first time I'm reading it aloud in Tagalog. So this is, oh by the way, Pepot, I like the, yung beaten ng ng balik na texture na underlying sa sa mga sa illustration. Beautiful touch. So this is in Gargan's voice pa.
Yes.
Si Jose at ang mahiwagang taburi. Si Jose ay isang batang malungkot. May timang balat, payat at nakausli ang ngipin. Dahil dito, madalas siyang naglalakad ng nakatungo at palaging umiiwas sa mga tao. Karaniwan na lang sa kanya ang pasa, sugat at galos. Dala ng panunulak, suntok, o hampas ng kanyang mga kalaro. Ginagawa rin siyang katatawanan ng mga bata. Dahil dito, may mga sugat siyang hindi nakikita. Mga sugat na galing sa mga tawang dapat sana ay nagpapasaya. Bagya itong gumagalaw na tila nag-aanyaya. Nilapitan ito ni Jose at napansin niyang may punit ito sa tagiliran. Nang hawakan ni Jose ang pisi ay nagsimulang lumipad ng taburi. Nabalot ng kaba si Jose, lalo't nagsimula ring umangat ang kanyang mga paa mula sa lupa. Ito na ang kanyang first adventure, ang alitaptap. Inilipad ng taburi si Jose sa ibabaw ng mga puno. Tanaw ni Jose mula sa itaas ang mga batang naglalaro sa ibaba. Mula sa itaas, hindi na marinig ni Jose ang kanilang mga masasakit na salita. Isang alitaptap ang lumapit. Maglingling ka, ani ng alitaptap.
Sana may nakakita sa akin. Sana nararamdaman din nila yung nararamdaman ko. Pero, yun yung taguri mo. That's why you need to find that person.
Thank you so much. It's beautiful na talagang isusuporta sila, support them, and really raise them high.
You're my taguri.
I was thinking that, you're my taguri. Anyway, let's not cry here on stage. Okay, but truthfully, you will have people in your life who will help you through these moments, and I hope this book will remind you of that. When you mentioned the symbolism of the kite, it really strikes a beautiful chord. It's just a symbolism of the people in your life who believe in you and who will fight for you. Just like Yasmin does for her daughter as well. And you for me and Nikki for you. Okay, do we have more questions before we cry a bucket full of tears here? Go ahead, sir. Your name and your question.
That's Floro.
That's
Floro.
Floro. Yes. Good afternoon.
I have a question. Mystical theology, exorcism. Mystical theology, exorcism.
Si Jose, wala siyang weapon. Ang weapon niya lang is, siguro yung that small courage to hold on to the cross.
Thank you for that question, Dax, and thank you for answering. Thank you. That's Flora. May we have more questions here in the middle? Go ahead. Yes, please. Mic is yours, your name and your question.
Hello. So, beyond your, of course, your profession as an entertainer, industry. So, ano yung feeling when you wrote this book?
So, yun, nilagay ko siya doon as a thank you to GMA. And plus, GMA kasi gives me a lot of light. Parang, you know, maraming nagtuturo sa akin ng GMA. And parang ang feeling ko, sa sobrang daming nagtuturo trabaho ko sa akin, it's time to pay it forward. Na, you know, unless you're one of the really big international authors, you're going to earn out of the book. I don't earn anything out of the book. I just want to write books because I want to use my voice. I want to use the other platforms to encourage people, to make people feel their skin, to give representation. Marami pa akong gusto kong gawin books. And I know marami
Alright, Nelson. Sinabi mo nga, you want representation, you're gonna write more books in the future. As the journalist, Nelson Canlas, everybody knows who you are. Right? Everybody knows what you've accomplished. As the author, Nelson Canlas, what is next?
That you see outside of Gunfire.
Okay, I've written 3 children's books in 1 year. I think in the course of 1 year, I wanted to.
Who was bullied? Thank you for sharing your story. To the man you are now, thank you so much for giving others strength. Can we give Nelson a big round of applause? Nelson, isang huling photo with you and your book here in the middle. I think you can do better than that. Can we give Nelson a big round of applause? Once again, si Jose at ang Mahiwagang Garguri is available here at PPF. Make sure to visit Paper Cat Bookstall and grab your copy.